Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn how to order the pages. Just going back to our website for a moment, order has to do with the placement of the different pages. Our website right now is fairly simple. We've created the new page, my page, then there's About Us, Ours, and Contacts. So there's really only 5 pages in our site. But let's, for example, say we wanted to move my page after About Us. So we want to put it here between About Us and Ours. So let's go back into our editor. Let's just log in. Okay, go back over to your page tab here where we like to work. Now something, pardon me, when it comes to ordering pages, I'll just, for example, let's look at Ours. Let's just edit the Ours page. I want to show you something here. You notice down here, this little button down here, it's called Order, and there's a numeric figure in here. When you go back to your site, whatever page that you're looking at here, the reason that they're in this particular order is because Contact has a larger page order number than Ours. It correspondingly has a larger page order number than About Us. Now when we're designing a simple site, we like to use maybe go up by tens, multiples of 10. So for example, this might be 0 by default. It's your home page. When we created the My Page, we could have called it 10, 20, 30, and 40. So let's just go back and look at them. As we mentioned, About Us, or Ours rather, is 20. Go back to your page button for a moment. Say the Contact button. You notice it's 30. So again, going back to our site, that means that's 30, 20, 10, and 0. So we've also, when we created the My Page, which is the new page we've created, you'll remember that we didn't put anything in there. So it automatically defaults to 0. So remember now, going back to, we want to put it between About Us and Ours. So About Us was 10, so we just need to assign our new page a number bigger than 10 but smaller than 20, and that's going to put it right in the middle. So let's just split it right down the middle, and we'll take My Page and we'll call it 15. Hit Update. Go back to your site, hit Refresh, and now just watch as My Page just changes places, and it now is between About Us and Ours. So if you understand how that works, home is always 0. We've About Us, it was given a number of 10 before we got started. We created our new page. We didn't put a number in, so it came in here beside home as a 0. But we've now renumbered it to 15. Ours was set at 20. Contact was set at 30. So I think you get the idea that, for example, if this is now 15, and we want to put another page in here between My Page and Ours, well, it's got to be higher than 15, lower than 20, and that'll pop it right in here. So obviously now, by playing with those numbers, you can move any of these into any order that you want. In our next lesson now, we're going to learn how we can do the same thing but create pages under one of these tabs, because obviously we've only got a limited amount of real estate here. You see the amount of space we've got from here to here. We're going to run out of room eventually, so we want to keep our site as generally as limited as possible. Don't give too many choices up here, but we do have the option of creating pages. When our mouse hovers over one of these tabs, it can show some more pages underneath that. So we're going to do that now for the My Page. So once we've finished our editing, remember, always go back to logging out before you start again.